Hello. First up, thank you to Bryce for calling me out. I totally forgot that I had a couple more videos I needed to post this week. So thank you for reaching out to me. I'm getting these up the moment I saw that email. I'm also just going to say my cat has decided she needs more lap time. So if you hear her rustling around or purring or whatever, you're not hearing things. She's deciding she wants to be on my lap. Anyways, standard form of our circle says the following. We've got this blueprint here, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. We should kind of see some resemblance to our vertex form for parabolas. You might remember our vertex form for parabolas was structured like this. Okay, this was for parabolas. And we see that same kind of idea where there was a special point for a parabola. It was called the vertex. For our circle, it is the center. So the center is going to just be the ordered pair h and k, and the radius is going to be r. So if I came down to this particular problem and I gave you this, the following, x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 4. Well, pretty easily you should hopefully be able to find the center, in which case the center is just going to be, that's already a minus 3, so I take the opposite sign, which is a positive 3. That plus 4, the sign now changes, is a minus 4. And then when it comes time to the radius, we can think about it as being some number squared, in which case 4 can be rewritten as 2 squared, meaning that our radius is 2. So now that we have our center and our radius, we can sketch that graph. So what I would need to do is I would need to plot the center first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so in order to plot that center, I would say go 1, 2, 3 to the right, go 4 down. There is my center. And then to estimate my radius, I'm going to go 2 in every direction. So I'm going to go 1, 2 up. I'm going to go 1, 2 to the side. I'm going to go 1, 2 to the left. Obviously I did this by hand, not on graph paper, so my circle is far from perfect. I will give you this as a hint. The program you're using, I'm pretty sure you just plot the center and then you plot a second point in order to establish the radius. If you're graphing this by hand though, do me a favor. Know what a circle looks like. A circle is not just a funky square with rounded corners. If you actually want to draw that circle, you have to imagine pushing out that middle piece. And it's that slow, gradual change, and this is far from perfect obviously, that actually gives you a little bit more of that circle shape. So if you ever find yourself graphing a circle by hand, remember to kind of push out that space going around. So this is the core for that second video, identifying the center and the radius, and then I'll also be posting some videos specific to the various questions you might see, so those will be up momentarily.